Today I'm going to show you how to use an audio block in Squarespace on your website page. I'm going to show you how to fully customize it and all the different options that you have. So let's dive in. So directly from this page over here, we're going to go over to the left-hand side. On the main page, there's a little edit button over here. Okay, so on the left, make sure that you're on website and you want to click on edit. Now from here, you will see if you move your cursor around, there is an add block that comes up. Let's click on that, and here you'll see an audio block. It's automatically added the audio block just over here, but if you click down, you can move it around, and you can also, if you click on it, just resize it appropriately. I'm going to leave mine here. I'm going to go to the top, and there's a little pencil icon. You're going to click on that, and there's a few options. First of all, you can upload straight from your device. You can go over to external file. You can add the audio file URL, and then also the file size, and then the file type. You can also add a title and the author or artist. If you want to go and click on podcasting, you can add a podcast episode title, subtitle. You can also give it a summary and notes. You can also add in episode type, season number, episode number, and all the other details as you can see over here, such as duration and the type of content it is. You can then also go to the right hand side, click on design, and there are a few small things that you can do here. You can either change the player style from minimal, which is what you can currently see, to classic. And if you are using minimal, you'll have the option to change it from dark to light, and that's what your audio file will look like.